Hello, friends! Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. They were so hungry that they started to eat each other. They kept eating each other until only two of them were left. The two remaining wolves decided to go into the forest to look for some food. They were so hungry that they would eat anything they could find. There were once 7 hungry wolves who lived in the forest. Just then, they saw a flock of sheep grazing in the middle. Please leave a comment below and tell us what you think about the video. Also, don't forget to like and share. See you next time. One of the sheep cried out, "Oh my God, a wolf has entered the pen. Quick, let's all go to the other side." And just like that, all the sheep moved to the other side of the pen, except one little lamb. The lamb stayed behind, pretending to be one of the other sheep. The wolf was too stupid to notice anything, and so he walked right past the lamb and started eating the sheep. The wolves were so happy because they could finally end their hunger. And this time, he noticed that there was a lamb standing right in front of him. The wolf was so angry that he started to chase his own brother, and they both ran away from the pen. The sheep were so happy that they started to dance and sing. They danced and sang until the evening, and then they all went home. Well, little lamb, you look delicious," said the wolf. "Let me eat you." The lamb replied, "Oh, no, please don't eat me. Instead, ask your brother. He is much tastier than I am." The wolf thought for a moment. That might be true, but where can I find him?" The lamb said, "He is outside the pen, looking for some more sheep to eat." The wolf thanked the lamb and went outside the pen to look for his brother. But the sheep were also quite clever. They had actually seen the wolves coming, and so they had already made a plan. As soon as the first wolf entered the pen, the sheep started to bleat loudly. When the wolf finished eating, he went back to the entrance of the pen to get some water. But when he found the second wolf, he got very angry because his brother had already eaten all the sheep. And that is the story of how the wolves and the sheep tricked each other. The end. Thanks for watching, friends.